for this review, we will be revising how we write covalent compounds and the molecular formula and how we write its name. Okay, so first off, let's go and write the name. So when you're dealing with covalent, okay, so just let me write this down. So when you're looking at covalent, you are going to involve the prefixes, okay? Your notes should have that. So your prefixes are the ones where you have mono, di, tri, and so on and so forth. Keeping in mind that mono is only used on the second non-metal, okay? So for example, I have this CO2, okay? First thing you need to do is name the compound, the element. So here I have carbon. Now, am I going to use the word mono? Am I going to use the word mono right here? I am not going to do that because the mono is on the first non-metal. If it was on the second non-metal, then the second non-metal was by itself, then I would use the mono. Then after that, we're going to first write our prefix for the number, which is di. And then to write this, make sure the element ends or the name ends in IDE, the same as with the ionic compound. So this is going to be dioxide. Okay, let's try another one. What if I have P2F5? Okay, so since there's a number, we're going to start with that. So that's diphosphorus. Okay, and then there's 5 here, so that's going to be a penta. And then F is fluoride. Okay, now what if I have the name and you're writing the symbol or the molecular formula? So let's say I have dinitrogen monoxide. Okay, so I'm gonna I'm gonna separate the certain things to figure it out. So di means 2. This one is nitrogen. So I have 2 nitrogens. Mono means 1. Oxide is oxygen. So I'm gonna write that as N2O. All right. Another one. Let's see. How about dihydrogen? Sorry, not much space. Monoxide. You should know what this is. All right. So again, di is 2. Hydrogen is H. Mono is 1. Oxide is O. So that's going to be H2O. So that is how we write the molecular formula from the name. And how do we write the name? By looking at the molecular formula of a covalent compound.